Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is jrny. So right in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can be able to become a crypto millionaire with this easy strategy. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So first of all, we are going to start with on how you can be able to become a crypto millionaire, right? So let me not waste your time. So first of all, I'm going to be talking about more for people that doesn't have the capital that is needed for this. Okay, let's start with them first. So if you don't have about $2,000 plus, then this is what you're going to do. Okay, you need to start from somewhere and all of that. So first of all, you want to make money, right? You want to become a crypto millionaire. Then this is what we are going to do. First of all, you need to go in the crypto market and look for some coins that you can buy with the money you have currently, but don't forget to buy all these little low cap gems, okay, that are still undervalued. Okay, this is what you need to do. So the next one is going to be, if you don't have money to start, right, then what you're going to do is that you're going to try to use Binance referral. Okay, try to convince as many as your friends as possible, so you can start by doing that, because the more your friends are using your referral, the more you get a bonus. So this is for you to be getting something. So you can also do the same thing on crypto.com, KuCoin, and all of that. You can find video on YouTube on how to be able to get the link of the referral program on Binance, KuCoin, and crypto.com. Okay, just search on YouTube, you're going to see everything. So the next one is going to be the main thing that we're here to do, right, for people that are ready. Okay, so let's start with this. I am not millionaire yet when it comes to, in dollars. I am not a millionaire yet in dollars, right? We are all together. Okay, I'm still on this journey. Okay, so this journey, I've been on this journey for a while, right? So now, I started working on some of the strategy I have. As of last year, I told you guys that I bought 100 and something ethereum, then 100 and something ethereum, $100 and something ethereum that I bought now turns into 1,000 something dollars this year. So I think that we can even do more than this, right? And I've been having so many strategy, and I have a team, also group of people that we work together. Okay, I also bring out a lot of strategy, then we work on the best one. So this strategy is well proven, that's going to be turning out to give you what you want, right? So that's it. So the next one we are going to do right now is to get into this. So guys, I posted this on my channel, right, and I know that many of you guys might be needing well detailed information about on how to go about it. So now this is what to do. You have to first of all make sure you have about $2,000. okay, so if you have about $2,000 right now, then we are going to buy BTT, this BitTorrent token. BitTorrent token is still undervalued. Okay, so now this is how I was able to get that numbers, right? So when it comes to VeChain, okay, I need to just go back. Do not mind that for. Okay, let's just do this. For you to become a millionaire, okay, you need to have about, let's just say, if you want to become a VeChain millionaire, okay, let's start with that. Okay, you need to have about 250,000 of the coin, right? So this 250,000 of the coin that you need to have is what will make you to become a VeChain millionaire. And right now I think you need about $37,000 for you to be able to buy 250 worth of VeChain token. So now let's not talk about that. Okay, so now you buying BitTorrent token. This is how it's going to be like. So we are on Binance exchange right now. Okay, I'm going to click on trade. So right here we should first see the BTT/USDT. okay, so this is the BitTorrent, and you can see the current price right there. Okay, the coin is increasing day after day, right? So now this is how to do it. So now you need about we need about 403,000, right? 469. okay, so this is what we're gonna do. 403. Okay, still let me know if I'm making any mistake. You know, sometimes I might do plenty mistake. Okay, so this is what we need. Okay, so you need about, okay, I think you need about, let's just say $2,000 for you to become a BitTorrent crypto millionaire. Okay, so now you can still replicate this strategy to other coins. Okay, you can use this strategy to get other coins also. How you have it in mind that if you are buying other coins, make sure that you are buying a coin that is below to this price of BitTorrent or even something lower. It will help you a lot. Okay, so now have it in mind that when it comes to being a crypto millionaire with this strategy, okay, this strategy works 100%. Okay, what I'm telling you that it works 100% is that this strategy here, the only thing I think that will make the strategy to be like is not working out is the coin, the type of coin that you are trying to use. Okay, that you're trying to invest your money into. Okay, so the reason why I am suggesting that you use BitTorrent is because they've been there for years, right? And being in the crypto market is something that is very, very nice, and I think that you guys don't need to miss anything. So now you invest this amount of money. Okay, it might take just in less than 3 years, it could be in 2 years, it could be by next year. Anything is very possible. Okay, so everything is very, very possible. So what you do is that if you have this amount of token right now, okay, so now we are going to get on my calculator right now so we could be able to calculate this real quick. So before we begin to do our calculation, I'd like to also tell you that during this calculation, you also know on your exit point, okay, on when to sell, so you could be able to secure the bag. What I want us to check now is VeChain. So you could see the current price of VeChain, okay, is about 1 cent. Okay, so now that 1 cent, we are going to use that one to start our calculation. Okay, good. As you can see right here, okay, VeChain is about 1 cent. Okay, we are going to do this 1 cent. Okay, so this VeChain, for instance, we want to use the VeChain price to be able to determine on how much we are going to make if BitTorrent token gets to that price. So if you do that, then you're going to multiply it, okay, then equals, okay, now you're going to see how much we are going to be making. Okay, so we are going to be making about $40,000 plus in profit. Okay, I think this is nice. Okay, and for this coin to get to that amount, okay, it's not going to take a lot of time. So I'm currently doing this, okay, I'm still doing the same thing on some other coins, but this is my most serious one. Okay, that's the reason why I'm sharing this with you. So you can also do the same thing, replicate the same thing to most of the coins that you know that has great potential that are still undervalued. Okay, so you can see that we have about $40,000 rather in profit. Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we are going to start afresh. So now if BitTorrent token should get to the price of VeChain, which is 1 cent, then what will happen is that we are still going to be in profit. Okay, and we only invested about 2,000 or that amount of money. Okay, so now let's check this. So if you check let's check the $2 landmark. Okay, let's check the $2. Okay, we are going to use the $2 to multiply our current holding, the current holding of our BitTorrent token. Okay, 43. Okay, then 469. So if you do that, then what we are saying here is that these two here represent that when BitTorrent token gets to the price of $2, how much are we going to be making? Okay, it's good that you do that. Okay, so that's how to do the math. So doing the math there is very, very essential for you to know on what you're envisioning, because it's good that you envision more bigger. Okay, so you know on what you're doing for the most part, so you know on the target. So that's how you should do most of the coins that you're also holding. Okay, you can do the same thing, and not just you holding onto a coin and you not having a good strategy on when to buy and on when to sell. So I'm going to tell you guys on how to be able to exit. Okay, because your entry is so important and your exit is also important, which is the timing and all of that. So now let's assume that BitTorrent is about $2 right now, and you are going to multiply there by your current holding, which is 403,469, then equals to. So if you do that, you'll see that we are close to $1 million. Okay, we are close to $1 million. So this is so easy for you to do, and you can still replicate the same thing. Remember what I told you. Okay, so we are close to $1 million. And now how about if BitTorrent token now gets to about $5? How much you're going to be making? So that's how to become a crypto millionaire. It's always good that you envision bigger, right? And it's also good that whenever you're holding on to any type of coin, you try to make sure you know on your exit point. So now the exit point is going to be, maybe if you want to exit when the coin gets to $2, good for you. Okay, and if you don't want to exit when the coin gets to $2, maybe you are just saying that you want to exit when the coin gets to $5. So $5, there's a very possibility that BitTorrent token is going to be reaching about that amount. Remember, BitTorrent token has a great potential. Okay, remember a few years ago, Tron was about the same price to BitTorrent token, and right now Tron is about 1 cent. Okay, which means that by next year or in the next 2 years or by next year, anything could happen and Tron could reach about $2. Okay, which is really nice. So now this is what to do. So let's assume that you want to sell you want to exit when the coin gets to $5. I mean BitTorrent token. Okay, so you just gotta write the $5 right there, multiply by your current holding, right? If you do that, then you also gonna put a 469, which is essential, so you know what you're gonna be making, right? So it costs. So that's simply how much you're making. Okay, yes, I think that's about 2 million. Okay, so now that's $2 million that you have. Then you could go retire with this amount. If I were you, if I could make this amount of money, then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put about 1 million. Okay, I'm gonna put about 1 million into the stock market, and if I put about 1 million into the stock market, then I'm also going to have about, let's just say, if I put 1 million into the stock market, then I will have about 1 million remaining, right? If you pay tax in your country, then the money is going to be a bit lower. Then I think if you have about, let's just say 700k or maybe 600k left, okay, then you should also look for some of the coins in the crypto market and also replicate the same, use the same strategy and repeat it again. Then if you repeat this strategy over and over again, you should check how much you should be making. Okay, so that's how to become a crypto millionaire. So I hope you're enjoying this video, and do not forget to subscribe, share this video to all your friends, and make sure you turn on the bell notification for me and smash the like button. Thanks so much. I'm not your crypto millionaire, I mean in dollars, right? Yeah, because we are all trying to achieve this. Okay, so that's it. So I could remember back then when I had nothing and all of that. Okay, and right now that I have a little bit of something, right, it's good to use that little amount you have to invest into something that will try to make your life to be more better, and not you squandering the money. Okay, because you don't have time in the next 5 years. Envision yourself, envision the level of the place that you want to be, know where you want to head to, know your plans, know if you want to retire young or if you want to retire when you're old. Okay, it doesn't matter, because we don't have time. I always tell my friends this: we don't have time. If you see where I'm working, I keep on persuading a lot of people I know, you don't have time. Keep doing what makes you happy for the most part, but what makes you happy sometimes may not be that satisfying. Because if you like women, right, then what happens is that makes you happy. Yes, having a good woman makes a lot of people happy, and doing some crazy stuff makes people happy too. Okay, but sometimes living, like trying to leave all those things that makes you happy, is also going to make you feel more better, or it's going to make you know the level where you stand in life, right? So that's it. So it's good that you just be happy, make yourself happy. So enjoy life to the fullest, but do not be foolish. Okay, make sure you don't lose money